Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining about how to be able to sketch floor plan from an existing building. I'm going to be making use of this very floor plan, although I'm not going to show you an existing building and be telling you how to go about it. But with this floor plan, I can be able to explain to you properly, and you'll be able to sketch out an existing building floor plan. So the first thing is this is the entrance veranda, then this is the toilet for the visitor. The visitor's toilet is at the entrance veranda for this very sketch. Then here is the living room. From this living room, then there's an access lobby here. This space is the lobby for the lobby entrance from this bedroom. Then also from this lobby can be able to also access this kitchen according to this design. Then from this lobby you can access this bedroom. Then this is the wardrobe for the bedroom. Then this is the toilet and bath for this bedroom. So the first thing you have to notice is, if you want to sketch an existing building, you have to start from one space at a time, because if you want to enter, you enter through one space at a time. You cannot be everywhere at a time. So let's say you enter this, you're going to enter through this veranda. So the only entrance to this one bedroom flat is this veranda, this entrance veranda. So when you step on the veranda alone is already a space. Is already a space. The first thing you have to do is to you draw a rectangle. Just create a sketch a box, a rectangular box, kind of a box, but it should be a bit wide enough, but not that wide. No measurement is required. You are trying to get the the way the design is on ground. First you have to do is to draw a rectangle. This rectangle will tell you that okay, this is the entrance, which is this is the veranda. So after the veranda, then close to the veranda, then you can see this toilet. This toilet is for the visitor. So now this very veranda, you've already drew a rectangular shape, and you're inside the veranda, inside this rectangular shape, which is the veranda. So you are facing, as you are standing on it, you are not, if you face this way, you are kind of facing the road. If you face forward, then you are facing the other, whatever is it that's present on the building. So now you are standing here at this entrance veranda. Then at your side here you can see a wall there. So you have to know what's there. Before you know what is present there, you stand here, you are facing this side. Then this toilet, is it at your right hand side or at your left hand side? So me standing here now, standing here, I already know that this part of this wall, this toilet that is here, you can see that there's a door there. It shows that something is there. There's a door there. It shows that something is there. So now, is it at my right hand side or at my left hand side? So here is my right hand side, here is my left hand side. So since it's at my left hand side, it shows that this whatever is here is at my left hand side, which is the toilet. So before I enter, I'll have to draw a box close to this box that is already existing. So I'll attach a box close to it on the same line. That's a box, or let me say a rectangular shape. Now this rectangular shape will be smaller because the size of the toilet may be, definitely I know that the size of the toilet will be smaller than the size of this veranda. So but they are on the same line. So I'll draw a rectangular shape showing that there is a toilet here. So after drawing the rectangular shape, then next thing is for me to enter. If I want to enter, I'll have to pass through this door. Then before even entry, since this door is already present here and this toilet is at my left hand side. Now this the door that is present here, they'll have to represent the door, meaning this door is at the same line with this space, this veranda space that I'm present in. That's the same line with the left hand side, right? So we have to draw the, you indicate the door signal there. You don't have to measure it, indicate it. So after indicating it, then before you enter, on entry, enter the toilet. So if you pass through this door and enter this toilet now, you'll be facing this window. So this window becomes your front, then the door side becomes the back, then this side becomes the left hand side, here becomes the right hand side. So on standing on this place facing this side, it tells you that this window now, there's a window here, shows that on ground, since the window is there, so definitely you have to symbolize this window to be at this point, not here, because on ground the window is at the front, so symbolize the window. So after symbolizing, you're already done with this part, there is no other entrance connection. Then you go back to this veranda, this space. On entering this space, the next thing you have to do is to go to the next, sorry for that, next thing is to consider the next space. Now we've already moved back to the veranda space. Then from this veranda space, I'll go ahead and enter this living room. So standing and facing this side, I'm showing that okay, this space that is here is the front, then the road side is the back. So before I will enter this living room, I already know that there is a space there, or after entry I'll just enter. So after entry, yeah, I'll draw a box, a rectangular shape. This rectangular shape is going to be resting on this veranda line. You understand? You can see that okay, we've already drawn this rectangular shape for the veranda and this toilet, and whatever we are going to draw here is on this veranda. So this box is going to be on this very space because it's at the front. So after doing that, next thing you have to, which is not the living room. Now you are already inside the living room. While you are inside the living room, you stand and face your front. You don't have to stand and face the back here for because you are already, first of all, you stand and face the front better. Then on standing and facing the front, you see what features are you seeing on this very space, which this rectangular shape we've already drew. You can see a door here. Then indicate the door. Where is the door position? Is at the front, but close to the edge of this wall at the right hand side. So you draw this very door. So on drawing this door, you can see that then you can rotate yourself, like turn and face the roadside. On facing the roadside, you can see a window there. So you know that on the roadside, which is this very line of this rectangular space shape, then you indicate this window, indicate this door. Then next you have to do is to face the other side, which is the, well, you don't even need to overface it, as long as you've already stood and you're facing your front. You already know that you can see that there's a window here. So this window now, what is it going to tell you? It's already telling you that this window is at your left hand side. So looking at this box, this window is at your left hand side. Then you draw this window at your left hand side. Then on the right hand side, there is no window, there is no door, nothing is here. So you're not going to draw any door, whatever there. Then after that, the next thing you have to do, you are still going to face your front, then step on this space, which is the lobby. Then you draw a box. you see that this box is not, you can see that the box of the space box of the living room and that of lobby is not the same size. So you're not going to draw a very wide rectangle that it will extend to this edge. No, you draw a small shape, kind of lobby space, box space rectangle. Then that's the lobby. Then you're already facing your front. Then this door, you've already drew it before for the living room space. Now this kitchen, this space that you're seeing now, is it at your right hand side or at your left hand side? It's at the left hand side. So meaning that at the left hand side there's a door here, something is present there. Then you draw a box, which is, you see, you can enter, but already knowing that this box shape is going to be at your left hand side, and you can extend it to the same length the living room. So after drawing this box, then you enter. On entry, you already know that you've already drawn the box, so that your entrance way there was a door, so you draw the door where the position where it is. That's, you can see that this door is close to the wall of the living room. Then on entry, you enter like this, you face this side. Depending on the side you are facing, you should be able to know on your rectangular shape. Now if I'm facing this side, this way becomes my front, here becomes my back, the here becomes my right hand side, here becomes my left hand side. So this window is at my right hand side, so I'm going to draw this window on the left hand side, which is the kitchen. So there's no other thing around it. Then I'll come out to this lobby again. I've already drew this one. Then next thing is this space here. So if I face this side, I'm going to be facing, which is my front. This side becomes my front. So on facing this side, then if this side is not the front, then I'll draw a rectangular shape. The rectangular shape is not going to be too wide because the space is just a small space. So I'm looking forward. Then on looking forward, that's on the front, there's a door here, so I'll indicate this door. On the entrance, which is at the back, then I'll indicate this door. Then this wardrobe, standing facing front, this wardrobe is going to be at my left hand side. So indicate the wardrobe at the left hand side of the box. Then this toilet, you also draw another box. Drawing the box, you already see that the space is small, which is the toilet. Then you also, on entering, there's an entrance door, and this is the entrance line. You've already drew this door before. So when you enter, this side becomes your front, here becomes your back, here becomes your left hand side, here becomes your right hand side. So this window is at my left hand side. I will indicate the window at my left hand side. Then after drawing that, next thing is I'll come out again, go back to my lobby, then access to the bedroom. So now standing here, I'll know that okay, I'm standing on this lobby. Then when you enter, there is no door here. This is a beam. Indicate the beam there. The beam is at the facing. You are facing this side. You stand here and you are facing this side. So this window becomes, here becomes my front, here becomes my back. So this beam is at the back, between at the lobby, the space, the box or the rectangle of the lobby. The here becomes facing this side, here becomes front, here becomes back, here becomes. So it depends on when you stand, you see the direction it is, then to tell you the indication and where you have to position whatever you are positioning. So for this veranda, there is a pillar here. So when you are considering whatever you are drawing, when there is a pillar, you indicate where the pillar is. So I hope you are able to understand with this explanation on how to sketch an existing building. Well, I'm going to create another video on real life explanation of this thing so that you can be able to understand properly. And I know that with this very explanation, you can be able to understand it if you follow the way I explained it. So I'm still going to go ahead and make another video. Then I will share this description. The description of this video will be on the existing video, so that whoever is going to watch that very one can come back to this very explanation for easy understanding. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. See you in another video. Bye.